Check it out! Neutron has the moves!
Well, how about next time you get a board that can handle the Neutron style? Later, Nick.
Okay, guys, look. I know you've almost been killed 2 times in the past 24 hours, but that was the past. It's a new day, a new scene. Any questions?
Yes, can I say the N-word?
Knock yourself out.
Thanks,
You need to just stop.
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom?
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that...
Hi, Jimmy's mom. I made a little song for you.
Jimmy, I see a frog. Oh, that looks great, Carl.
Thanks. What are you trying?
Is everybody all right?
Jimmy, I got sand in a very uncomfortable place. Oh, no. I'm not going in there. There's no steps. There's no handrail. There's no souvenir shop. I'm staying out here.
Okay, Carl. We're in front of me!
Hey, Jimmy, somebody wrote on the walls. They're gonna get in trouble. Okay, I don't like it in here.
Snakes! Okay, not snakes. Pretty snakes. Go away, please. You don't want to hurt me with your long, short fangs and inject poison into my bloodstream.
Well, guys, this was fun. Okay, let's all leave in a quiet and orderly fashion before we see something really scary, like... They're coming this way.
Yeah, for once and probably the only time in my life, I'm a winner. See how new it is? According to my calculations, we'll continue to age until we turn to dust at 6:03 this evening.
But I'm allergic to dust.
Carl, what are you eating?
Just some prune whip from your lab.
Carl, there wasn't any prune whip. That's my experimental truth-telling serum.
Oh, Jimmy, that's ridiculous. I stole Jimmy's toast the other day. Sometimes I dream about girls.
Maybe we better go.
I don't think Ultra Lord exists.
La 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 la, I don't want to hear it!
My mom's really 42. I just
Miss Fowl, will you not let me not leave the classroom?
No! Yes.
Thank you.
Oh!
Jimmy and she need me. I can't let them down. Miss Fowl!
Can I never, ever not be this excuse sometimes?
Plant it!
Okay.
Louder! Louder! Carl Wheezer, you cannot be in the play if we can't hear you.
It's not my fault! I didn't even want to do this! My mom forced me! She said it would be good for my self-esteem!
Ladies and gentlemen, we found our first witch.
Hey, Jimmy, there's a question I've always wanted to ask you. How come whenever we're in outer space, we don't gotta wear helmets?
Good question, Sheen. And the answer is quite interesting. You see...
Huh, really?
Mm-hmm.
And how come we don't need oxygen tanks and stuff?
Well...
Star, you're so far, 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 can't go my car!
Fascinating. So, Jimmy, how come it takes astronauts days to go to and from the moon, but it only takes us a few minutes?
That's another good question. You see, it all has to do with...
Goodbye, moon! I'll see you next June! Cause I'm looking for a student!
Carl! Enough with the song!
I hope my travel sickness pill starts to work soon.